Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road, and the phone number here to the dealership is 694-1234. I want to take a quick couple minutes and show you this fresh arrival. It's a 23 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. This beautiful Jeep in the bright white has a one-owner Carfax with no accidents, smoke-free cabin, leather. Has the upgraded Rubicon trim package, and it is a combination of a hybrid and motor. 23 Jeep Wrangler had an original winter sticker of over $66,000. Current market price on 23s are in the high 40s. We've got this one listed at $44,895. And I'm going to put it on an even greater July discount right now. It's got the big screen, heated steering wheel, heated seats, power packs, technology plug-ins. This is a nice Jeep, fun to drive, and spacious. You can see the room and the condition of the back seat. 23 Jeep Rubicon 4xe. See that carpet isn't all chopped up or with bleach stains, and this one is available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. Once again, we're at 2261 Southwest College Road, and it's our goal daily to make it both easy and affordable for our neighbors to own nicer and newer cars, trucks, and SUVs. This is Chris at Prestige, 694-1234. Website chrissaysyes.com. We've got several nice Jeeps in right now. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.